All right, so I've gone through all of his armor here. You can see I've put him together a little bit. He's looking pretty dope. And so you can see the Nuln Oil, which is this stuff. Gets into all the little cracks, leaves in these nice little shadows where the dents in the armor and all that are. Good look at his little brass knuckles or whatever they are. And that. And also off camera, I did the same thing I did to the armor with his helmet, except I put in a few little details, some weathering, stuff like that. So this is his helmet. I didn't bother with the inside. I wanted to keep it dark so it doesn't reflect any light out. But anyhow, we're just about pretty much ready to assemble the base with the body. Then I'm gonna be finishing up this portrait here. This is just for when his head is on there without the helmet on. And then gotta work on this portrait as well, his other head. This is the helmet head. So this helmet fits into the key here. His nose is a little snug on there, so I can't put it all the way on yet. But I don't think I'm gonna do too much with this head, because once it's on this helmet, I'm gonna glue it in place and leave it so it's an entirely detachable unit. And then I have to print a second head just like this, or a third head just like this one, so that I can put the busted up helmet on that I haven't done any work on yet. Definitely not going to get this all done today, my last day before work, but you guys get to see the assembly of this bad boy. So I'm going to pause this and get a different view on the camera so that you guys can watch me assemble him, or most of them anyways. All right, so here we go. Let's see what we can do here. So here's our base. Turned out amazing. I'm very happy with how the base turned out. And start this foot just glued into place. I'm gonna make sure that these two parts go together all right before I glue this foot into place. As you can see, this is an incredibly huge 3D print. That goes on there pretty good. Alright. We got the whole thing in view.